Hello everybody, it's your boy Jeremy. Welcome to Smart Money Hub, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make $250 on your smartphone like right now, and the video is coming right up. Today, all right. Now I want you guys to come to this website called Playlist Push, okay? This website, what they do is there are two categories when you come to this website. If you release music or you own a playlist, and the fact is every single day you listen to music, like even like today I know some of you guys have listened to music, so why don't you get paid for listening to music? Now for the artists, you come here to promote your songs, and that is all, and your song get added to playlist so you can start a campaign. But what I want you guys to do is when you come onto this site, you sign up as a curator. Like, you discover some of the best up and coming indie artists and help them launch their career, get paid to listen and review songs. So when you come to the site and you register as a curator, you listen to songs, and for each song you listen to, you get paid $12, close to $15. Now this is like breakthrough for some people. Okay, now you listen to at least not 10-20 songs a day, and imagine you calculating one song for $12. How much are you making? Now let's eat the calculator and see what we got. So if you're listening to 10 songs a day, like you are so busy, and 10 songs times $15, now that's $150. So according to your exchange rate in your country, like if you're in Nigeria right now, $150 times 500 naira, you just got 75,000 naira in one day. So this site is like literally legit, because I will show you guys what these guys have been up to. Like, they have been mentioned by Fortune companies, iBots.com, Medium, CD Baby, and these are reviews that artists who have used the sites are making. Now, what I want you guys to do is become a creator, okay? So let me show you guys right now. So you click on this this link here, you become a creator. Now, for you to become a creator, you must have a playlist on Spotify. So if you don't have a Spotify account, you can come to your Google here and search for. If you don't have a Spotify account, you can come and sign up here. You can come input your email, confirm your email again, you create a password and your username, you choose your date of birth, your year and everything, your gender, and you check this box over here and you sign up. So when you're done signing up, you go to your profile and you create a playlist. Okay, so when you're done creating a playlist, then you can come back to this website, Playlist Push, and you come here. Now you select your country that you live in. Okay, that's the requirement. When you select your country, let me go select my country here. So when you select your country, Nigeria, then do you own a public playlist on Spotify? Please, I want you guys to pay attention to these steps. You come and you click on yes, I own a public playlist on Spotify. How many followers does your best playlist have? Now you can click 0 to 100. Sorry, you cannot become a creator. You know why? Because the limit you need to have to become a playlist is 1,000 followers on your playlist. Now this is where a lot of people find issues, like I can't become a creator because they don't have 1,000 followers on their playlist. But I'll show you guys how you can get 1,000 followers on that playlist easily. So let's do this again. Come here down to Nigeria and I click on yes, I have a playlist. How many followers? I click on 1,000 to 10,000. Now you can see, great, you now qualify to become a curator on Playlist Push. Now I want to apply as a curator. So now this is the part where you connect the Spotify account that you created if you don't have any, and you connect it with this website. Now I want to show you guys reviews about this site, okay, so that you guys know that this is not a BS and this is real time legit. I took time out to check online and see. Now How does Playlist Push work for creators? Okay, now creators are paid to review new music and decide if it fits their playlist. This is a great opportunity to find new music, monetize your playlist, that means you earn money, and support independent artists. Creators should only apply if they meet all our required qualifications, which is 1,000 people following your playlist, and that is just basically it. Okay, now what is the process for receiving and reviewing songs? Okay, when you become a curator, once you are accepted as a curator, you will receive a login to your creator dashboard. There you'll begin to receive songs for review. You'll be prompted to leave feedback for each artist along with your decision to add or not to add to your playlist. So if you choose to add it to your playlist, that's fine. If you choose not to add it to your playlist, that is fine. You are still getting paid. Now, how are your playlists generally determined? The songs in your playlist will be automatically matched to your Spotify catalog of over 1,800 genres. So you choose which one you want. How many songs will I receive? Receive a song each time someone runs a campaign that targets the genre or genres in your playlist. This amount of campaigns that artists run targeting your genre will determine the amount of songs you listen to. So you choose now. The genre that is mainly famous right now. We talk about pop music. We talk about trap songs, rap songs. So when you create playlist according to those niche, people always come there to upload their songs, and as they're uploading the songs, you get notified of those songs, you listen to them, and you get paid. Now here is the gold. How do creators get paid? Now, creators are compensated for each song reviewed. Each song. The amount paid per song is based on the amount of listeners you have on your playlist. Now, this is really crazy. And your activity. We determine this with our reputation score. Depending on your reputation score, your payment can range from $1 to almost $15 per song. $15 per song. Now, check this out. Imagine you have a lot of activities on your playlist. You are getting $15 for listening to a 3-minute rap song. And how many can you listen to in a day? So you guys should come up in here now. I want to show you guys the trick now. For you to have your 1,000 followers on your playlist, come to this site called picoworkers.com. All right. Now, if you're new to this site, all you have to do is just sign up. Okay, I already have an account here, so you can post gigs, your little jobs, and you pay and you get your results. That is all because I've worked with these guys and they are really legit. Like, I got what I needed. So let me sign up and show you guys what's up. To my dashboard, and this is it. All right, I got Spendables. I already worked with them. I uploaded close to $10 and I got the job that I want. Now, this is the funny thing. You can come up in here and you post a job. All right, you post a task. Now the task you're going to post is sign up a Spotify. Now you see this one here is this is a website, new sign up, and you get paid $0.10 for just signing up. $0.3. Now these are tax that some people here have paid. Now look at this again, $0.20. This is another account sign up. This is another sign up. So when you come here, like, this is my account, my tax. Okay, so this is what I completed. I worked, I did some stuff here. So when you post your link here, and for $0.10, all right, you get people signing up for your playlist, like people following your playlist. Now, for how much is it going to cost you when you sign up? No. Create the job, you create the tax here, and your payment is $0.10, right? So let's do a very fast calculation right now. So $0.10, right, times 1,000 people, which you want them to do. Now this is $100. Now for $100 you get your 1,000 followers on your playlist, and if you finish this, you pay this $100, your let me call it your investment. You can get this back in the same day. When you listen to a song and you're being paid $15 times 6 songs, you got $90. Now you listen to 10 songs, $15 times 10 songs, you got $150. $50 back into your account with your original investment. So this is a good deal. All right, I want you guys to log in into your Spotify or create a Spotify account. Go to Playlist Pushed and sign up as a curator. And when you're done, you can come to Pico Workers and boom, you post the tags and people keep signing up. People keep signing up. Now let me show you. Let me see. Let's go to find jobs and see what people are doing. Now, this person posted a job for 714 tax. Now 714 people in need. Now 264 people already signed up, and I think this is not even up to a day. You can see again, this is another one. Like, this is working like crazy. Same person. I think this is the same person, because yeah, same person here. Look at the same name. So this is above, like, this is you need 2,000 stuff to be done. And just check it out. Look at the response I get now. He has gotten over 600 people working for him right now, and he's paying $0.03. You can even drop your rate if you want, but the higher the price on this site, the more people will come to do your tax. So please, guys, take advantage of this. And in the next video, I'm still going to be making a video about this website. I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this done without paying a single dime, all right? Because the initial investment roughly is like $100, and I know some of you guys don't have this. That's why you're watching this video on how to make money like right now in 2021. All right, I'm going to drop a new video for you guys, like, so that you know how to get this done. Get your 1,000 followers on playlist push on your Spotify playlist without spending any money, only if you have time and you can do the work. All right, so if you've gotten content from this video, please like this video, subscribe this video, and subscribe to this channel and share this video. I really appreciate that. See you in my next video.